Hi all. So in the previous video, we had prepared our first visualization, which is a bar chart for sum of sales and regions. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to explore all the options available on Tableau, right? So on the top of the screen, you can see that multiple options are available here. Like we have multiple options available in MS Tools as well, MS Excel, MS PPT or something like that. So let's see what all options are available. So the first is file. If you click on that, new. So with the help of new, we can create a new file. Open in case you want to open any specific file, close, save as, export as version, export packaged workbook. So these are few of the options. Once you will be done with visualization, how you want to export it and save it on your laptop or desktop, right? Show start page, share in case you want to share it with your online public Tableau public platform, then you can do it from this share option. Paste in case you want to paste something, import workbook in case you want to import any of the workbook, page setup, and print to PDF. You all are already familiar with options. Workbook local, it will be automatic or English, then repository location, and then exit. Now moving to the next option, which is data. Here you can see new data source. So in case you want to connect with another data source as well, you can click on that. Paste is visible. So in case you have copied something on your clipboard, you can paste it over here and then refresh all extracts, edit blend relationship, and other informations are there. Like currently it is showing order sample superstore because we have connected to the orders table of sample superstore data source, right? Now the third option which is available is worksheet. In case you want a new worksheet to be created, you can directly click on here, or you can click on the bottom of the screen as well, just next to sheet 1, right? Then copy in case you want to copy any image or data or cross tab anything. Export in case you want to export any image and paste it into some other application, you can do that too. Clear in case you want to clear the entire sheet. Everything will be cleared and you'll be getting a blank sheet in this case. Actions. I'll be telling you what actions are in the next videos. Tooltip. Tooltip is something that, so let's say if I'm just hovering around any of the bars, so I'm getting some of the information. So that is nothing, that is your tooltip. We can add some information over here. So like currently we can see that only region and sales are reflecting, but we can add, say for example, we want to see what categories are there, or maybe like what all product names, or what is the profit. In fact, what is the profit of this particular region as well. Then we can do it by adding into tooltip. How we can do it? You can just drag profit from here and drop it into tooltip section of marks card. Okay. Now, once you're over, you can see that apart from region and sales, you're also able to see your profit, right? Okay, going back again. After tooltip, you can see show title. This is nothing your title. So in case you want to hide it, you can just check, and yes, the title has gone from here. In case you want to bring it back, you can just click on that and then title will be available for you. Next option is show caption. In case you want to add any caption of this particular dashboard, you can add it over here, right? And in case you don't want to say it, just remove it. So uncheck it, right? Similarly, you can add summary and show cards. Okay, so show cards are some of the cards that are available on the shelf, right? So you can see column shelf, row shelf, page shelf, and filter shelf are already checked. So this is your column shelf, this is your row shelf, this is your filter and page shelf, right? In case you want to hide anything, you can just uncheck that and that particular thing will be gone. So for example, in case I don't want page shelf as of now, I'll just click on that, and here you can see that page shelf has gone away, right? Okay, and then marks as well. So this is our marks section. In case you want to hide it, you can do that as well from here. Now the next is show view toolbar. So automatic, show on hover, hide. So on the toolbar, this is currently automatic. We are able to see everything over here. In case you want to hide, you can do that. Show short controls. So your data or visualization part, you can do it like you can do the sorting of that as well. So that is available over here. Here you can see that ascending and descending options are already available, right? You can ascend it, you can descend it, whatever way you want to present your data. So those all options are available. Describe sheet, duplicate as cross tab. I'll prepare a next video for that. Then dashboard. Dashboard is something a very huge topic, so I'll be covering that in the next videos. Stories, another huge topic, so I'll be covering that too. Analysis. So on the analysis tab, you can see multiple options are present. So show mark labels. If I just check on that, so you can see that all the mark labels are now appearing, right? So what is the total sales? You can see all the mark labels over here. Similarly, in case you don't want it, you can uncheck that. Aggregate measures, stack marks, view data, percentage of. You can change all your data in whatever way you want it to. Totals, in case you want to highlight some totals. Trend lines, special values, table layout. I'll be preparing another videos on that too. Filters. Okay, so filters, highlighters, these things also I'll be covering. Create calculated, swap rows and columns, you can do that too. So there is a shortcut available on the options, swap rows and columns. Okay, and your visualization has changed, right? So this is all about analysis tab, map. So I'll be covering this when we'll be preparing geographical maps, right? And now the next tab is format. So here are multiple options are available. So to do the formatting of your data or your graphs, right? We'll be covering all these things like shading, alignment, font, borders, everything is there. We'll be covering these things, but I just wanted to let you and make you understand like what all options are available and how we are doing it. That's why I'm showing you all the options in this particular video. Then server. Okay, so this is all about Tableau server, right? So you can your data source, you can create user filter, Tableau public, you can save it to your public profile, and all these things are available. Windows. Okay, so this is your particular window. In case you want it to present into a presentation mode, you can click on F7 as well. Show toolbar. So currently we are getting the toolbar, status bar, sidebar, bookmark, and sheet one, because currently only we have created one sheet. So that's why it is highlighting. Open help. Okay. So in help section, open help, get support, choose language in case you want to change the language, in case you want to understand about Tableau more, in case you want to check the product keys, in case you have purchased the Tableau license, and then watch training videos, sample workbook, everything is there, right? So this is all about what all options are available in Tableau. Apart from that, you can see there are some shortcuts as well. So like in case you want to undo or redo whatever work you have done, you can do it from here. This is to save. This is to connect with another data source. This is paste auto updates, and this is to create new worksheets. So currently we have only sheet one. If I just click on that, this is a shortcut for creating new worksheet. Okay, this is how it has been created. Next is duplicate. This particular sheet will be duplicate, right? Then in case you want to clear all the sheets, so just click on that and you can see that we have a blank sheet and the duplicate that we had created some data, right? Okay, since we don't have anything over here, so we can just undo the changes. because all the options will be disabled in that case. Right. So the next is swap rows and column. I have already shown you. We can just swap our rows and columns with the help of this particular shortcut. These two are to sort our data. So in case you want to sort it by ascending order, you can do that. In case you want to do it in descending order, you can do that. Then this is to highlight, this is to pin, and this is something, this is your standard view. Currently, we are getting everything in the standard view. In case you want to fit the width of the screen, you can do that. Because our current graph is very small, so that's why it is not. So in case we want to fit the height, you can see that all the bars have been adjusted as per the height. Entire view, okay. So nothing is there, so that's why entire view and the height is reflecting is similar. Okay, if I'll go to the next option, show or hide cards. This is also one of the shortcut. You can just click or uncheck. So we had unchecked our page shelf earlier, so I've just checked it out. So here it is now reflecting. This is the presentation mode and this is to share, right? And this is some very important field which is show me, which will give you, like, with the help of what all information, which all charts you can put there, right? Okay, so this is all about the sheet, worksheet. Now coming to the left hand side, you can see that our table or the fields, whatever was available in our data source, has been divided into two parts. And there are some specific icons as well. So I'll be covering that in my next video. What is dimension, what are measures, what all these particular icons mean, right? And some other stuff as well. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to make you comfortable with the view, with all the options that are available in Tableau, so that you can just proceed ahead and then you can make the visualization a very good one, right? So thank you so much for watching. In case you have any questions, any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again.